Yo mga idol, welcome back sa aking channel. Today, upgrade natin ang brake ko from Shimano MT200 papunta sa Speed 1 Soldier 2 na 4-piston brake. Tingnan natin kung mas malakas nga at maganda ang kanyang modulation. Ito na yung Speed 1 Soldier 2 na in-order ko sa Shopee. Safe naman ang packaging at may box para hindi masira sa shipping. Pagbukas natin sa box, una natin makikita ang front or rear brake set na naka-plastic wrap para hindi ito magasgasan. Naka-pre-blade na ang dalawang brake set kaya plug and play na lang ito. Magaan din siya mga idol. I-test muna natin ang lever feel. Mas firm siya at maganda ang kanyang modulation kumpara sa MT200 na nasubukan ko. Maganda din ang kanyang pagkakagawa. Meron din itong adjuster knob para ma-adjust natin kung malayo or malapit ang lever. Depende sa settings. Maganda ito i-custom yung feel. Depende sa riding style mo. Naka-CNC ito mga idol at yung lever niya ay may bearings din. Dito naman tayo sa caliper. Ito ay gawa sa forged aluminum kaya matibay ito at magaan. Meron itong 4-piston na independent para balanse ang kanyang pwersa sa pag-brake. Yung pad may heat dissipating para hindi madaling uminit kapag nag-down nila tayo. Kasama na rin ang mga bolts ito sa packaging kaya kunin na natin ang ating bike. Ito ang aking brake, Shimano MT200. Nagamit ko to ng mga 6 na buwan. Maganda naman siya pero nangangala yung kamay ko dahil 2-piston lang siya. Okay din siya pang downhill pero yung kamay ko nagpapatig talaga. Kaya try natin itong 4-piston na mumurahin kung maganda ba ang kanyang braking performance. Bago natin i-start ang pag-install, i-compare muna natin ang dalawa. Ang kanyang looks, malaki ang kanyang pagkaiba. Malaki yung isa kasi 4-piston kaysa 2-piston. Okay naman ang Shimano MT200, subok na siya. Pero try lang natin ang Speed 1 Soldier 2. Ito ang kanyang side by side. Ito naman ang comparison sa lever. Yung Speed 1 merong adjuster knob habang yung MT200 wala. Medyo may bigat din yung MT200 kasi metal yata ito habang yung Speed 1 ay aluminum na. Simulan na natin ang pagpalit ng brake. Sit back and enjoy the music.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling left inside my mind? What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye. Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling left inside my mind? What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye.
Where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living.
Can you hear me calling? Am I wasting time? I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling left inside my mind? What was once a fire, now the embers die goodbye.
I watch watch more podcasts and hear less music. My brain feels different and I don't wanna lose it. I try to stay healthy but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams, man, there's something that I miss. Maybe I should do this, I always loved music. Maybe I could find a way to make these dreams lucid. I really wanna try, cause I might have a chance before I die to see the world with a soulmate by my side. Yeah, that would be the life, not a fucking 9 to 5. I wanna feel alive.
Alright, tapos na tayo pag-install sa bagong break mga idol. Excited ako, it is right sa trail ito. Montage muna natin ito. Let's go!
Wasting time, I can hear the echoes left with no reply. Can you hear me calling left inside my mind? What was once a fire, now the embers light goodbye.
Ganda siya mga idol, may adjuster siya. Pwede malayo at malapit, depende sa reference mo. Maganda din ang modulation niya kumpara sa luma ko na MT200. I-testing ko muna dito sa road mga idol para maiwasan ko masimplang. Tapos maya doon ako sa off-road. So far maganda siya mga idol. Yung brake feel niya sobrang gaan kumpara sa MT200 ko.
This happened to me. I made my mistakes. Not now or the one.
Okay siya, try natin sa off-road. Di sa tulad ng MT200 na kailangan ng persang kamay para maka-brake. Ito, konting pit lang, ma-feel mo na ang pagka-brake niya. Ito, may batang tumawid, napabrake ako agad, di na kailangan ng rattle mode. So far, maganda ang modulation niya. Di ko alam kung tatagal itong brake na to kasi hindi ito tulad na Shimano MT200 na subok na ang matagalan. Yun lang mga idol, enjoy the video.